A very warm welcome to DAV 8 Spotlight, the voice of excellence, where every achievement becomes a headline, every learner becomes a leader, and every moment becomes a memory. I am your host, Ada.
Namaste everyone, I am your host Arindam. We are delighted to bring you the most inspiring highlights from DAV Senior Secondary Model School Secretariat Panchkula for the month of July 2026. Let us begin our journey of excellence.
A new session, new dreams, new beginnings. 2nd July 2026, DAV 8 warmly welcomes students after the summer break with smiling faces and positive energy. Under the inspiring leadership of Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi, the new beginning encouraged students to learn, grow and achieve excellence throughout the academic session. Thank you. Over to you, Arindam.
When nature smiles, the future blooms. Thank you. 7th July 2026. DAV had celebrated One Mahotsav with plantation drives, awareness rallies, poster making, paper bag activities, and cultural performances. Guides pledged to protect nature and contribute towards a greener and healthier future.
Prepared today, protected tomorrow. 8th July 2026. DAV 8 successfully conducted an earthquake mock drill where students practiced safety techniques, emergency evacuation, and first aid, strengthened disaster preparedness, confidence, and civic responsibility. Thank you. Now it's your turn, Arindam.
Small actions today create a sustainable tomorrow. Thank you. 10th July 2026. DAV 8 observed World Population Day through posters, skits, presentation and awareness activity. Students learned the importance of sustainable development, responsible citizenship and protecting our planet for future generations.
Champions don't wait for opportunities, they create them. 10th July 2026, DAV 8 celebrated a proud sporting event as Parth Sharma excelled in the Hustlers Cup while Adya Verma impressed at the Panchkula Open Chess Championship. Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi congratulated the young achievers, bringing glory to the school.
Thank you, Ada. Serving humanity, serving the nation. 11th July 2026. DAV 8 in collaboration with the Indian Army successfully organized a blood donation camp collecting over 100 units of blood. Guided reflected compassion, patriotism and the spirit of selfless service. Thank you.
Every drop truly makes a difference.
Together we learn, together we grow. 11th July 2026. The July parent-teacher meeting strengthened the bond between parents and teachers. Students proudly displayed their creative holiday homework while parents appreciated the school's transformation.
Thank you. Building partnerships builds brighter futures. Visionary leadership, brighter tomorrow. 11 July 2026. DAV 8 had the privilege of welcoming Chairperson Dr. Keshni Anand Arora on her first official visit. She appreciated the school's achievements and praised the principal, Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi, for her dynamic leadership and progressive educational vision.
Thank you. Leadership inspires excellence. Now it's my turn. Read today, lead tomorrow. 14th July 2026. Reading Month celebrations witnessed an exciting inter-school competition on poetic devices. Team Hyperbole Heroes emerged victorious as to embrace creativity, language and experiential learning.
Wonderful! Books truly open the doors to imagination. Our heritage, our pride. 15 July 2026. Ramayan activities inspired students through coloring competitions and quizzes. Event promoted Indian culture, moral values, and creative learning among young minds.
Thank you. Culture shapes character. Now it's my turn. Talent speaks, success follows. 18th July 2026. DAV students shown at the Inter-School Language and Literary Fiesta. Jashita secured first position while Pavani Yadav won third position. Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi congratulated the winners for bringing laurels to the school.
Congratulations to our literary stars. History comes alive. 18 July 2026. DAV 8 successfully hosted the inter-school competition Frozen Moments Living History. Students recreated historical personalities with confidence and creativity. Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi appreciated every student for making history come alive.
Thank you. Learning history has never been so exciting. Now it's my turn. Small champions, big dreams. 19th July 2026. Pawan earned the prestigious Yellow Stripe Taekwondo belt, while Pratik's football team secured second position in the CFL tournament.
Wonderful achievements indeed. Run with passion, win with pride. 23rd July 2026. Ria of class 7th delivered a spectacular performance by winning gold in the 600 meters and silver in 400 meters. Remarkable sporting achievement.
Thank you. Champions inspire generations. Now it's my turn. Saluting the heroes of our nation. 24th July 2026. DAV8 observed Kargil Vijay Divas with patriotic songs, dance performances, and inspiring speeches. Students paid heartfelt tribute to the brave soldiers of our nation.
Where learning meets happiness. 25 July 2026. Education went beyond classrooms as DAV Senior Secondary Model School, Sector 8 Panchkula, organized a special movie outing for classes 3rd to 12th at Fun Republic, Chandigarh. Learning, creativity, confidence, and stronger student-teacher bonding. Learning truly becomes memorable when fun joins education, empowering teachers, preparing future leaders. On the same day, DAV8 proudly participated in the workshop on computational thinking and AI ready learners. Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi brought great honor to the school by securing second position in the paper presentation, inspiring educators towards innovation and future education.
Wonderful achievement. Congratulations to our respected principal. Now it's my turn. Champions then beyond limits. 26 July 2026. DAV8 athletes delivered an outstanding performance at the DAV cluster level athletics meet. Guided by coach Mr. Ramesh Pandit, and students won multiple gold, silver, and bronze medals, making the entire DAV family proud.
Dedication on the track always leads to victory. Every move a master stroke. 28 July 2026, the under-19 girls chess team of DAV8 secured first prize at the district chess tournament held on 27 July 2026. The team showcased exceptional strategy and teamwork.
29 July 2026, continuing its tradition of excellence.
A guru inspires, a student shines. Now it's time for a beautiful celebration of respect and gratitude. DAV Senior Secondary Model School, Sector 8 Panchkula celebrated Guru Purnima with great reverence. Students presented a soulful group song and a graceful dance performance, while Simrat of Class 11 Science highlighted the significance of Guru Purnima during the morning assembly. The celebration concluded with heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers for their unwavering guidance and dedication.
Silver Glory for DAV8, a movement of pride for DAV8. We are delighted to announce that Krisha has won the silver medal in the board-breaking event at the second HL Bharti Memorable Taekwondo Championship 2026-27. Her achievement is a shining example of determination, discipline, and excellence. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to Krisha and expectations, Krisha. May you continue to achieve greater heights.
On 31st July, DAV8 proudly hosted the DAV Cluster 6 Panchkula Swimming and Badminton Tournament 2026. The event witnessed the enthusiastic participation of young athletes from various DAV schools who came together to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship, discipline, teamwork, and healthy competition. The tournament was successfully conducted with participants displaying exceptional talent, determination, and fair play throughout the day. Congratulations to all the winners and best wishes to every participant for continued success in the future. With these inspiring stories, we come to the end of today's DAV8 Spotlight.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making DAV8 proud. Until we meet again, stay positive, stay inspired, and remember, at DAV8, every day is a step towards excellence. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.